This is the story of the Estonia vlog. The vlog that was never made.
What?
Yeah, dude, the plan was to create a vlog about your summer in Estonia. There's a lot of echo in here.
Yeah, I know that, so why was it never made?
Well, to explain that, let me just take you back to Estonia.
Alright, here's the deal. You spent a month in Tallinn, Estonia. I mean, you basically lived there. You had an awesome housemate who looked like a pirate. You had a pretty cool girlfriend who was a mermaid. There was a huge TV, annoying electricity plugs, and you had a very hard time falling asleep because in Tallinn, the sun never seems to go down in summer. Basically, you had to learn how to sleep with the light on. Now, the reason you were there because you were attending Mindvalley University.
University?
Yeah, you see, Mindvalley University is an event that happens every year for a month in a different city around the world. Over here, a lot of famous speakers show up, like Dr. Shavali and Ben Greenfield. And you will learn stuff like entrepreneurship, mindfulness, fitness, and a lot more. You know, stuff that you are actually interested in. There are some amazing people with all kinds of different backgrounds from all kinds of different ages.
Compassion. Are you vlogging too?
Meet Skip. This guy actually made vlogs. But dude, on that note, that guy made like 4 or 5 vlogs during Mindvalley University. Some really good ones too. Yet you didn't make any.
Hello? Hello?
Hello? Yeah, why didn't you make the vlog? Why didn't you make the vlog?
Well, I kinda, forgot and stuff.
Dude, stop with the lame excuses. I remember at the beginning of this year, you said that you would upload a new video to your YouTube channel once a week. So let's see how much you got, shall we? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. So what happened? Why didn't you make a vlog in Estonia?
Okay, look. People see videography as a fun thing to do, and believe me, it is. I enjoy everything that has to do with this craft. But in order for me to make a high quality video, I have to put a lot of effort into it, and when I'm recording, I have to be focused on it. But at Mindvalley U, I just had such a good time that I simply didn't feel like making a vlog. I knew I was going to regret it when I got back home, but to be honest, it doesn't matter. Not everything needs to be documented all the time. Because we always end up missing those small precious moments that we'll never get back.
Fair enough. Too bad though. Could have been an amazing video. Well, alright. Let me just continue explaining what went down in Estonia. You see,
Mindvalley University was great and Tallinn was awesome. I mean, you could just walk around Old Town for hours and never get bored. And did I tell you that this whole city was just amazing for photography? It had a lot of staircases, which was tough.
Why is this even a thing? This whole city is made out of stairs and hills.
But everywhere you went, it was just amazing. From Old Town to cute little alleyways. You even went on a photo trip, but then your battery died. Almost.
This is just also like pure luck. My battery's running out, so now I gotta run home to find me a new one. Alright, so I'm just gonna black out right now because, I gotta switch the battery. Alright, we're good to go again. Really? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Jesus, how fast do you have to be for this? Alright.
Haha, losers.
Oh God. This running is not good for you anymore. But yeah, so anyways, rule 1 of filmmaking, guys, never ever forget a battery. Charge it the day before, bring 2. It's just like the basic rules, and I broke both of them on the same day.
Alright, back to it! Besides the city, Tallinn had a lot of beautiful nature to offer. Honestly, I'm a city kind of guy, but the forests here are just amazing. We even had a night where we all went to this big nature area for food and drinks and whatnot. It was a beautiful nature fun fest. It was fantastic. Although you didn't have a lot of days off, you did manage to take a trip to Helsinki, in Finland. There's a ferry that just gets you there in 2 hours, and wow, that was good. Helsinki might be crazy expensive, but it sure was a day to remember. You did like a little walking tour with your friends and visited an island, but of course, you didn't get much footage because the battery died. Again.
Honestly, bro, you should have come prepared.
This could have been such an amazing video.
Yeah, I know.
So now that I'm telling you this, are you gonna make more videos?
Yeah, dude, of course. I will make one every day.
Dude,
Fine. Every 2 days then. Maybe every week? Monthly? Okay, look, let me just say this then. You should consider subscribing, because I'm planning to release a lot more videos in upcoming months. And while you're at it, just hit that notification bell in the corner so you just, get updated whenever a new video pops up.
Alright, let's just leave it at that.
so next year, Mindvalley University again?
Dude, that's a stupid question. Of course I will. And I promise I'll make it. Man, you really need to step up your battery game, dude. Anyways, I'm done explaining things. Let's end this video on a high note. The closing part.